Want to level up your English with just one simple change? Lots of people make this common mistake, but fixing it is super easy. Instead of saying, he don't like it, you should say, he doesn't like it. See the difference? We use don't with I, you, we, and they. For example, I don't know or they don't want to go. But when we're talking about he, she, or it, we use doesn't. So, it's he doesn't have time. She doesn't think so, or it doesn't work. Mastering this little rule makes your English sound much more polished and professional. It shows you really understand the details. So, next time you're speaking, remember, he, she, it doesn't. It's a small change that makes a huge impact. Try it out. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more quick English tips.